Hi guys, and today we are going to be doing a little vlog about her. But she got a little bit too hairy away. I think she's a little bit sickly today. But on the bright side, she went on Strawberry Festival on Saturday with us. She really wanted to. So we thought it might be going to be cool to bring her with. And she was in her stroller, and she got a balloon animal. Instead of a balloon animal like a little doggy, she wanted a big old hat. See? And she's being a little bit undisqualified today. She's being really mean, first of all. Aren't you, Missy? Yeah. Look at, no. Look at the camera. See, guys, she's trying to hide her face, too. Because you know you're a good bird. And, yes, you need to tell them what the heck you did today, don't you? Don't you be smiling about nothing business. You know you did something. Let me go and put her over here. She doesn't get all mad when I do this. No, actually, show her. She's being a really bad girl. Today she threw a really big hissy fit. And because today she was playing really messy in the dirt, and then whenever I told her not to do it, and so she got really mad and threw a hissy fit. Look over here. She got really mad and drew a hissy fit at me. It was really rude, first of all. You look over here. Look at this. See all this, people? See all this? She got all mad. Started pushing stuff around and stuff like that. So it was a very unnecessary. And you did not have to do that. And then, see, and then as soon as I went to go pick her up, oh my lord, she gave me a heart attack. He's supposed to beat her butt, but I couldn't. She wouldn't even leave the cops right to me. She got herself all dirty. She threw herself in the sand, in the dirt. And she got herself pure dirty. And when I say pure, so really, ma'am, I don't think she needs to go out anymore for a couple days, unless she's been really good. And I have to go wash her up today because she was being really disqualified yesterday, right? She's not even gonna read. I'm gonna hug her. Okay, guys, so that's my vlog.